Hello everyone, my name is Pramod. I am basically from Mysore, Karnataka. I am completed my graduation in the Institute of Technology in 2023. After completing my graduation, I am searching a job in the IT sector. I know about a Evision Technoserve Private Limited in the Naukri.com. Evision Technoserve Private Limited is the online recruiting and consulting company. I am joined the 45 days training session. In this training session, I am learn about a networking, virtualization, CCNA, Outlook, troubleshooting, and these are like the topics related about IT sector. Now at present, I am placed in a value point system. The client company is a BEML with the package ಬಂದು 2.8 LPA. My recommendation is those who are searching a job in IT sector, you can join Evision and you can easily get a job in IT sector. And thank you for the Evision placement team and HR team. Thank you all.